He's like, good morning, even though it's afternoon. Hello. How big he is. Handsome.
He's very fat.
Yeah, he's a big one. Chicken. Oh no, that's gonna, no, she's gonna peck deer. That's not a,
Look, chickens.
they're gonna go.
Okay.
Careful.
Look.
If it pecks you. If it pecks you. Oh.
Look.
Can you do it again? Can you do it again? What day?
You get all this fur.
I don't know.
Stand up, please. See? You know the animal sound.
The other one is looking.